Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy scalloped potatoes. Okay, to my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, a quarter cup of onion, and you're going to stir that and let that cook for 2 minutes. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give that a stir and let that cook for another 2 minutes. The last thing you're going to add is 2.5 cups of milk, and then you're going to let that heat through for about a minute or so and then turn off the stove. I like to do this before I peel the potatoes because I don't want my potatoes to get brown. Okay, so here I have 2 pounds of russet potatoes. I'm going to peel them and then I'll be back. Now you're going to slice your potatoes, and you want to make sure you slice all of them around the same size so that way they can cook evenly. If you've been following me for a while, then you'll know how much I love potatoes. I mean, I could eat a potato any which way possible, and I could even eat a potato with a potato. Okay, here I have my casserole dish that I greased with cooking spray. All you have to do now is just layer the potato in the dish. You're going to take the milk mixture and pour that over the top. You're going to bake that in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes is up, I'm going to put some cheese on top, and I'm just putting some sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded. If you don't want to put cheese or you can't eat cheese, you don't have to, but this just makes it better. Put this back in the oven and bake it an additional 10 minutes. And that's it, you guys. Scalloped potatoes is done. How easy was that? After we took the picture, it was still hot, but I wanted to take out some so you can see. I love scalloped potatoes because it's a simple way to make your potatoes, but it looks so fancy and it tastes so good. If you're a potato lover like me and you want to see more potato recipes, I'm going to leave them linked below for you, including my Belizean potato salad. A lot of people always ask for that recipe, so check them out below. This was just so good, I couldn't stop eating it. Well, I hope you liked this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.